Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at CVS reporting live from our weekly spot because we're about to get into some of the best deals that you can do this week. It is a yucky day out here. I just got rain on coming in this store. We're gonna try to make this quick and fast, but really good. So y'all know how I do. We're not gonna waste any time. Let's jump right into it. So first deal we're gonna be grabbing is our paper products. I reviewed this deal in my unadvertised deals video. If you haven't watched that, definitely do. I also included some of the best deals that you can do this week at CVS in that video also. And I'll also be touching on some unadvertised deals that I missed in that video in today's video. But this paper deal is really good this week. So we're gonna start out with this spend 20, get 5. So we're picking up 2 of the Cottonelle, 2 for 10. And we're also gonna be grabbing 2 of the Scott paper towels, 2 for 11. No manufacturer coupons for the paper towels, but we do have these $1 coupons that came out today for the Cottonelle. We also have printables for these, so use whichever you prefer. After that $2 in coupons, you will pay just $19 at the register, and then you're gonna get back $5 in extra bucks, making your final cost $14 or $3.50 per pack. And then you also want to scan and fetch rewards. The Scott paper towels did track full price for my fetch bonus. So when I buy another pack of Scott, I will hit that bonus as well. So do keep that in mind. Next thing we're going to be grabbing is a deal on the Dove deodorant. These are buy one, get one 50% off. And then when you buy 4, you're going to get back $10 in extra bucks this week. So I'm going to grab 2 of the $8.99 Dove men's deodorants. We're going to get these. These are buy one, get one 50% off. And I'm also going to grab 2 of the Dove women's deodorants. They're $5.99. Buy one, get one 50% off. So these are our 4 items right here at $8.99 and $4.49, and then $5.99 and $2.99 with the BOGO 50% off sale. We have a $4 off of 2 paper coupon for the Dove men's. We also have a 4 off of 2 matching digital, and we also have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon for the Dove women's. After our $12 in coupon savings, I'm going to pay $10.46 at the register, and then I'm going to get back $10 in extra bucks, making my final cost only 46 cents for all 4 items. Here's another deal that I did not catch in the weekly ad on the Crest white strips, the CVS brand. So these are buy one, get back $10 in extra bucks. So with this, I would purchase this deal online. I would not do this in store. And I would also use a percentage off coupon if I had it. With a 35% off and this 3 off of 15 coupon, you would end up paying like $16.59 and then getting back a $10 extra buck, making your final cost for this item only $6, which is not bad for white strips. So my store literally has 1 of these men's razors left, like 1 period. So I'm not going to be able to do this deal. But if you have this 6 off of 20 CVS coupon for Schick products, you may want to get into this deal on the Schick this week. So you can pick up 2 of these Schick men's razors for $12.49. We do have a $4 digital and paper coupon. You can use 1 of each, plus that 6 off of 20 CVS coupon. On 2 of those, you're going to pay $10.98 after your coupons, but then you're going to get back $10 in extra bucks, making 2 of these babies just 49 cents each. Another deal that I'm not going to grab today, but is really nice if you need it, and especially newbie friendly. So you can grab 2 of the Kotex products. They are buy 2, get back $2 in extra bucks this week. 2 of these priced at $1.89 would total me up to $2.83. Then I would get back $2 in extra bucks with no coupons needed, making my final cost just 89 cents for 2 packs of liners. One deal that my store is still out of stock on is the Suave deodorant. I didn't review this week, but this deal is still going on. So you want to pick up 2 of these. These are $2.69 in my store, and they're buy one, get one 50% off. And when you buy 2, you're going to get back $2 in extra bucks. So with the buy one, get one 50% off sale, 2 of these will total us up to $4.03. You want to use 2 of the 50-cent coupons. That'll leave you to pay $3.03. And then you're going to get back $2 in extra bucks, making your final cost for those 2 deodorants only 50 cents each. Next deal we're going to grab is the buy 2, get back 10 on the Gillette and Venus products. We're going to start out by grabbing 1 of the Mach 3 razors. So these are $9.49. We have a $3 digital coupon. And then we're also going to grab 1 of the Gillette Venus smooth razors. These are $9.49, and we have a $3 digital coupon. So these two are going to total us up to $18.98. After our two $3 digital coupons, we're going to pay $12.98 and then get back $10 in extra bucks. Going to make our final cost for these two just $1.49 each. Next deal we're going to buy is the buy two, get back two on the Neutrogena cosmetics. We're going to start out by getting some of the cosmetic wipes. So these are $6.79, buy one, get one at 50% off. Two of these babies in the makeup section, you want to make sure you're only grabbing the 21 count wipes, are $10.86. After using two of the $3 manufacturer coupons, we have digital, we have printable, we also have them on the coupons app, you would only pay a total of $4.86 at the register. But then we also have a brand new $2 instant coupon that'll bring us down to $2.86, and then we'll get back to making our final cost just 86 cents for two of these. On the CoverGirl cosmetics, this week these are buy two, get back a $6 extra buck. Best way to do this deal is to pick up two of the products for $4.99 down here. That'll total you up to $9.98. Use two of the $3 manufacturer coupons. That'll bring you down to pay $3.98 at the register. But then you're going to get back that $6 extra buck, making two of those free, plus a $2 moneymaker. All right, you guys, so this is our first transaction. We're going to do our paper deal, our razors, our Neutrogena. I'm also going to be grabbing the CoverGirl and our deodorant. I have my coupons pulled right here. Let's see how this deal goes.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
transaction. There's the Cottonelle, there's the Scott, there's the Dove, there's the Neutrogena, and then there is the CoverGirl and the Gillette products. So all of our paper coupons scan with success except for the CoverGirl coupons. So today the CoverGirl coupons did not work on the nude eyeshadows that I've normally been getting. So I did have to swap out for the pencils that were $4.99 each. But other than that, we had success with everything else. And then the Dove Men Care did come off along with the Dove regular digital and then both of the Gillette digital coupons. I used a 10 off of 70 in that transaction, and then I rolled in a total of $37.96 in extra bucks, and then I paid $132 on a gift card. So we paid out a total of $39.28 for this transaction, and then we got back a total of $33 in extra bucks. So we got back $5 for the Cottonelle, $6 for the CoverGirl, $10 for the Gillette, and we also got back $10 for the deodorant and $2 for the Neutrogena. And then of course I did scan over my receipts to Fetch Rewards. I got back 53 cents there, and I did track full price for the Scott. So I think I'm going to be able to reach my Scott bonus today and my Dove bonus on Fetch Rewards as well. So we got back $33.50 after we paid out $39.28. This transaction with our paper products and all of these other goodies cost us $5.78. Now I want to stop and announce the winner for this week's $25 CVS e-gift card giveaway. The winner is Sonia Davis. Sonia, if you will email me at couponingwithstar@gmail.com by Saturday, I will get you verified and get your gift card right over to you. I also want to do another giveaway in this week's video. So all you have to do to enter the giveaway is hit the thumbs up button. Of course, you must be subscribed as well. And then just leave me a comment down below, and that's all you have to do to enter. I will announce the winner in next Sunday's video. So I'm going to switch CVS cards now because I want to do this Neutrogena deal a different way. Since my store is out of the makeup remover wipes, This time I'm gonna do it using this 3.8 ounce makeup remover, the liquid. So these are $5.59. We're gonna do this deal all digital. So we're gonna pick up 2 of them, $5.59, buy one, get one 50% off. We're gonna use the $2 CVS instant coupon plus a $3 and a $2 digital coupon. At the register, after my coupons, I'm gonna pay $1.94, and then I'm gonna get back that $2 in extra bucks, making these two babies completely free. We have good prices on the Rice Krispie treats and the Pop-Tarts this week, especially if you use $1 off of 2 printable coupons. But I noticed that we also had some good sale prices on the Maxwell house. So these big, large containers of coffee are only $7.99 this week. Regular CVS price on this big one is $17.79. So that's a pretty good discount. One deal I'm not going to do this week because I have so much L'Oreal Elvive is the buy 2 get back 4 on these. So these are priced at $5.29. 2 of them will total you up to $10.58. Using the 3 off of 2 printable coupon, I don't think this is still available for print, but it doesn't expire until 4/1. And the matching digital, we have a 3 off of 2. You would pay $4.58 at the register and then get back 4, making it only 58 cents for both. I try to only do this Clairol deal when it's a moneymaker for me or it is producing an extra buck. But if you need a filler item for a like a threshold coupon, let's say you're using a 10 off of 70, you might want to do this deal just to build up your transaction. So we have a brand new buy one get one free paper coupon that will double dip with our digital coupon, making both of these cost only a penny. And with that deal, don't clip the other Clairol digitals that we have. So don't clip like that $2 and that $5 because those might come off instead of your buy one, get one free digital. We have some unadvertised deals that I missed in my best deals video because my store didn't have tags up in this section of the store yet. But this Meridian Shave Kit is buy one, get back $15 in extra bucks. And we still have this promotion running on the hair removal items. These are spend 12, get 4. We do have swag bucks offers on some of the Nair products, so do keep that in mind if this is something that you're. Conair trimmers are also buy one, get back a $5 extra buck this week. They are priced as low as $20.99 in my store, and you can use those percentage off coupons to score a deal on these. All right, you guys, so now I'm gonna do my spend 30, get 10 deal. Now with this deal, you can do it all digital or you can use the printable coupons from the P&G website. The first item is definitely going to be a digital portion. We're going to grab 2 of these Dawn Easy Squeeze. We're going to get the bigger ones that are 22 ounces each. These were on sale for $5.99. I have a $1.50 digital and a 50-cent digital that I think are going to double dip and come off with this item. So that'll give us $2 in savings on 2 bottles. Then I'm going to grab the Downy Unstoppables. I am going to get the smaller ones. So these are the 5.5 ounces. We do have a $1 digital coupon that we're going to be using on this. It is $5.49. And then I'm going to get a large laundry detergent. You can grab the Tide liquid, or I'm going to actually get the Tide powder today because I told you I'm trying to get more Tide powder. So I'm going to grab the powder for $12.99. I'm going to be using the $3 coupon. You can use the digital or the printable. All right, you guys. So this is our all digital spend 30 deal. You can definitely do this all digital or you can add in paper coupons from the P&G website, whichever you prefer. So with the Tide, we have the $3 coupon. With the Downy, we have the $1 coupon. And then with the Dawn, we have $2 in savings. After our coupons, our total is going to be down to $24.46. Before our coupons, our total was $30.46 because this is $12.99, this is $5.49, and then these two are $5.99. So $24.46, and then we would get back the $10 in extra bucks, makes all 4 of these items just $14.46. So I'm actually going to be adding in a 6 off of 30 coupon with this deal. So instead of my final cost being $14.46, it's actually going to be $8.46, making each one of these items only cost $2.11. All right, you guys, so we're going to go up and do our next transaction now. I'm going to do my spend 30 household deal. I'm going to do the Neutrogena and the deodorant deal again. And we're also going to grab some more CoverGirl. So let's go up to the front and check out and see how this deal goes. Right, you guys, so here is a close-up of my receipt for that transaction. Everything worked out beautifully. We had no issues. So there is the Tide, the Dawn, the Dove, the Neutrogena, the CoverGirl. So the coupons that we used the two $3 for the CoverGirl, the $3 for the Tide, and the $4 for the Dove men's. We got both of the Dove digitals, and then the two Neutrogena coupons did come off. The two Dawn coupons came off, and then our Downy digital came off as well. So all of our digital coupons came off. We used a 6 off of 30 and $34.08 in extra bucks, and then I paid out 76 cents on a gift card. So with that, we paid out $34.84 in that transaction. So now let's talk about what we got back. We got back the $10 for the spend 30, this $10 for the deodorant, the $6 for the CoverGirl, and the $2 for the Neutrogena. So that brings our total back in extra bucks to a grand total of $28. But it doesn't stop there, because then I also scanned my receipt over to Fetch Rewards, and I got back $2.90. So we got back a total of $30.90 after we spent out the $34.84. That transaction was a grand total of $3.94. So grand total today for both transactions is $9.78, and I think under $10 is actually phenomenal for all of the items that we got today. Since I did focus in on items that I really wanted today, I didn't want to get a whole lot of fluff in this haul. I wanted to mostly just get household products and good stuff that we don't typically get to stock up on, like the Dove deodorant. So I'm really happy with this haul. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.